gravity.
According to the general theory of relativity, gravity is not a force. There are no gravitational fields. Gravity is kind of an illusion.
What is gravity?
You have no idea. Okay, next question.
See, gravity's everywhere, pulling on everything. It's what gives us weight, the attraction of the Earth and us. It's what holds all the planets in orbit, the attraction of the planets and the sun. You see, gravity works on everything. It's always pulling. It's a big gravitational...
Is that true?
No French fries, nada. Think of gravity like the invisible superglue that holds our massive world together. You can't see it, but it's always there.
But why can't we see gravity, RT?
Great question, Sandra. We can't see gravity because gravity is invisible. We can only feel and see what gravity can do.
If you do a lot of research onto what gravity really means, you may find out that gravity is not actually a force and it's just an illusion.
We are all indoctrinated from a very young age to believe that the ground beneath our feet is a spinning ball that is revolving and spiraling through an infinite vacuum of space. Year after year, decade after decade, our young, hungry minds absorb these ludicrous beliefs that if we could dig far enough, we would eventually reach the sky. Even at our youngest age, we can always remember being extremely skeptical and always questioning how people and buildings are not falling off the spinning magical ball. Surely there must be a significant amount of irrefutable proof to back up such an extraordinary claim that all the Earth's horizontal oceans that we can observe as we glance out into the distant horizon are actually flowing and curving 360 degrees around us. This is where we are given proof, in quotation marks, to answer all our anticipated questions. The proof we are given is not an observable proof. It is not a demonstrable proof. It's not even a measurable proof. The proof that we are given is only a 3-syllable word called gravity. The most important question we all ask is answered by one single word. Unfortunately, life is not that simple. because extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. If the word gravity never existed, neither would the spherical Earth.
You don't see the curvature of the Earth if you are 2 millimeters above this beach ball. You just don't. That stuff is flat.
It is part of the natural physics of water and other fluids to always find their level and remain flat. If disturbed in any way, motion ensues until the flat level is resumed. If dammed up, then released, the nature of all liquids is to quickly flood outwards, taking the easiest course towards finding its new level.
That stuff is flat. That stuff is flat.
The surface of all water, when not agitated by natural causes, such as winds, tides, earthquakes, etc., is perfectly level. The sense of sight proves this to every unprejudiced and reasonable mind. Can any so-called scientist, who teaches that the Earth is a whirling globe, take a heap of liquid water, whirl it around, and so make rotundity? He cannot. Therefore, it is utterly impossible to prove that an ocean is a whirling, rotund section of a globular Earth rushing through space at the lying given rate of false philosophers.